It's Dr. Natalie Lopez here for the stretch of the week. So on this one, I'm going to focus on some kind of lower back friendly stuff, especially if you're in some back pain. So we're going to start with some deep breathing. So we really want to focus taking a deep breath and trying to expand through our lower ribs and into our belly. So really think of sucking in or bringing in all that air to your stomach and then breathing out and letting it all out. So deep breath in and bring it into the side of your ribs and down through your side. Now we're going to go and do some rocking of our hips from side to side, keeping our arms out in a T position, and really trying to open up the hips to whatever feels comfortable. If you're feeling good, push it and try to open up as much as you can. If you're in really bad pain, just kind of go with what you can. So here I'm going to bring one knee to my chest, and I'm going to do that deep breath again. So deep breath, and I want to fill that air into my lower abdomen and expand and push onto my thigh, and then exhale and let it all out. So we're going to switch legs. So again, deep breath in. You almost want to feel your belly push into your thigh as a good feedback that you're getting nice deep breath in. We don't want to be focusing on getting deep breath into our chest, really into our lower belly to expand those lower ribs, stretch out those back muscles, and even our pelvic floor muscles will relax as well. So here I'm going to go and rock through my pelvis. So I like to grab both knees, keeping the feet together, and I'll just kind of rock back and forth in nice circular motion. You can switch directions as well, but it's a nice way to kind of get a little extra movement through the pelvis, because sometimes when our back is feeling tight, it's not necessarily our back, it's actually our pelvis. And so now after we kind of warmed up there, we're going to do our classic cat camel. So I'm going to be arching through my back, trying to round through each segment and extend through each segment. So really try to focus on getting the entire spine to move as you do this. And really try to focus on each area versus just a quick motion. So I like to slow down this movement to really get the benefit of the spine getting some movement out of there. So here I'm going to do a wide leg child pose and add a little twist so I get a nice stretch into my lats, my low back, really get everything moving here. So I like to kind of rock back and forth, especially if this is just before workout. So here I'm going to go from a child's pose and work on some rotation. So I like to do hands behind the head, so that way I'm also getting a little bit of shoulder movement as well. So I'm going to rotate the other side and try and get a little bit more motion as I go. Ideally, if you're looking towards where you want to go, you can get even a neck stretch out of it. As you can see, I'm not doing that here, but I could improve that. So really want to go into a downward dog here, nice and wide, and really getting a stretch into that lower back as well as those hamstrings. So I like to kind of rock back into a child's pose after to really get a little more into my low back. Give that a shot and see how it goes.